Hi guys, I just wanted to record the next two diamond paintings that I got. I've already unboxed, so to speak. They came in two different packages. This one came in a box. This one is in a bag. I also got some extra trays. I realize these are much less expensive on AliExpress. However, I needed these. I couldn't wait. I've already been into them, as you can see. There's fewer in that second package, but there's 20 in each package. So I got two packages, so now I have more trays. I wanted to get a few more kits. Let's do the one in the box first. This one is from Sweet Home Deco, and these were from Amazon. I've already taken out the toolkit. You know, it's just a standard toolkit with the, tools and the little tray and everything. But look how this is rolled up. It's really tight in this little skinny plastic Ziploc bag. I don't know how this is going to come out, but we'll see. Here's the drill set. These are round. This one should go faster. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Oh dear. This is difficult. And it's so tight. I don't know how they got it in there. Okay, I'm going to have to cut it out of there because I can't push it. It's just not happening. I'm going to have to split the bag. Jeez Louise. I mean, that was really in there. Tight. Jeez, look at this. Oh my God, that is so rolled. I'm going to have to go put it in the sun to flatten it out. All right, let me get rid of that little skinny plastic bag. Oh my goodness. Now this kit, an extra piece of canvas there. This is a sunflower. Oh my gosh. It is really, really hard to get this undone. Okay. I can't recommend this company for this. Boy, this is terrible. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And no amount of replacing is going to get this straight. Oh my goodness. But it's a colorful sunflower. It's really clear. Those are number ones. Yeah, it's pretty clear, which is good. Let me get the glare off of it. See, okay, let me see if I can get my elbows into the act here. Okay, so you can kind of see. All right, so Sweet Home. I can't even get this straightened out. Good grief. Okay. Sweet Home Deco. Okay, that's the company this came from. And it's gorgeous. I like the picture, and this is approximately 12 by 16. And it's going to be beautiful. Okay, and the key is really tiny. Very, very tiny. But it does have the DMC color numbers. They're not in numerical order, but that's okay. I can fix that with a scanner. Okay, let's see if this is any help. Oh, no. There's no color key on here. Oh, great. Okay, I'm not happy about this. I'm going to have to scan this and enlarge it so I can actually see those little teeny tiny numbers. Look how small those numbers are. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, that is just ridiculous. That is so tiny. There's no reason for that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is just basic instructions. And yeah, that's what it looked like, but dang, that was rolled up tight. I'm not happy about that. It's just, yeah, it's just instructions. So that's, I mean, gee whiz. Okay, yeah, not happy. I mean, it's going to be gorgeous, but like I said, I'm going to have to lay it in the sun to straighten it out. No amount of fiddling with this cover sheet is going to straighten that out. Goodness gracious. Okay, I'm going to try tonight laying it like this and putting some books on top of it, but I'll have to try laying it in the sun tomorrow and see if that will help. But oh my goodness, and these colors are beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't see any trash. That's good. Yeah, I'm going to do a separate video on the canvas I'm working on right now. I have a complaint. I'm going to do a separate video on that one. Anyway, I don't recommend that company at the moment. Now, it may turn out okay, but I don't like their packaging of that one at any rate. Alright, I'm not going to fool with this one. I'm just going to cut it out of there. Okay. There's no title on it or anything there. Okay, so this one, oh, nice big key. No DMC numbers. Hopefully they're on the back. Uh-oh. The cover sheet did not quite cover, so I'll have to readjust the cover sheet in a minute. Yeah, it's too far this way. Yeah, but it didn't hurt anything. It's fine. It's just one row there. It's okay. Yeah, it's short, so it wasn't put on there straight. It's a bit of a mess, but that's okay. This is also a round one. Okay, and I do not see DMC numbers on this one either. Okay, not happy about that. This basic toolkit. There's another tray. Yes. I've still got 50 trays coming from AliExpress. Let me see if I can fix this. I'm going to have to like take it all the way off and fix it. Okay. There was a little bubble right there. That may be okay in the long run. All right, now let me see if I can replace it. Okay, let me see if I can get it. I have a trick that I found. Start at the bottom, holding it where you want it. Get it straight. Take a ruler or a yardstick, or whatever your size is. Put it under your sheet and use this to help you smooth it out. See how this is going? Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. Okay. Plus it's laying flat now. Yeah. So yeah, I got a few air bubbles, but that's alright. I'll work with that. Those don't really do anything. It's okay. It's a little hard to read. This one's a 30 by 30, which means it's not quite 10 by 10, if I remember that correctly. Yeah, 9 3/4. This is the same size, 9 3/4 as the wolf, or slash husky. Thought it was a wolf. I think whoever I ordered it from didn't have the name of it up there. There's different companies that have the same ones, like this one, for instance, is put out by different companies, and this one was the least expensive, so I went ahead and went with it. But this is a nice owl face. That's pretty good. I think I'll be able to see it just by the colors. Yeah, the color separation is pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Of course, I have no idea what the DMC colors are. Same problem with the, I think this is the same company, because it looks exactly the same as my wolf slash husky. See at the top? See? It looks exactly the same. And there was also no DMC numbers with this one either. See, he's all finished. And I know I showed him before, but he's all done. It's the same size as the owl here. Let me tilt him up a little bit out of the glare. But, yeah. So, I think the size will be just fine. It's got enough detail. It's going to be just fine. Yep, gonna be just fine. Okay, so anyway, that's my little haul for now. I have an order coming from AliExpress from the Hua Can store, but it's still going to be a little while before that gets here. Anyway, I wanted to do this so I could inventory and put them away and get them all flat and hang them up and everything. I hang them on pants hangers so far, and I just wanted to get those documented and so I can hang them up. Okay, so there's both of those. And Mr. Curly here. Yeah, I'm going to put him out in the sunshine, let him warm up, and then try to flatten him. That would probably be the best thing to go. But right now, it's like almost midnight. So, no sun. Okay, that's all for now. See you next time. Thanks for watching.